There are a variety of RC parts popular on eBay. There are several categories that seem to be more popular than others. They are older model or lower production model replacement parts, performance parts for electric and nitro/gas, upgraded electronic transmission systems, transmitters, receivers, etc., and anything custom or team accessory. This is not to say that you can't sell other items, these are simply very popular. Many people are searching eBay, looking specifically for parts that have proved too hard to find in the local RC car shop. Understanding your customers and the behaviors that drive them to act will help you increase your income. Provide quality products and services so your customers love coming to you. This is a twofold blessing for your business. First is the consistent hungry buyers coming to you again and again, because you have what they want. You can also position yourself as a premium supplier, especially on eBay. When you find a wide variety of parts for their RC car, truck, or plane, they will visit your store just to see all the parts not carried by other vendors, hoping they find what they have been looking for. Some of the most popular RC parts you should consider to include transmitters, DC motors, body kits, tires, wheels, nitro engines, exhaust systems, suspension parts, and fifth scale brakes. A growing segment of hobbyists also enjoy shopping for used RC parts, to source the broken or missing parts from the restoration of early-gen RC cars on eBay. There are many stories of the restoration hobbyist all but losing hope, until finding a vendor specializing in a specific classic RC while browsing the pages of eBay. Soon the sale of the super rare, difficult to locate parts has opened a channel for the vendor to be the official go-to source for that model. Every club and shop is soon ordering from them. Talk about a business blooming by the word of mouth of happy customers. This can be a great way for you to get started building a list of customers. When you are doing the things only you are good at, you soon become not replaceable. When they find rare or discontinued parts for their beloved RC vehicle, you immediately become their new best friend and favorite place to spend their hard-earned money. Lead them with a tasty carrot. Used parts may seem appealing because they can be less expensive than buying new parts or RTR kits to dismantle. Please do not be fooled. Do not underestimate the value of sourcing unused parts from new assembled vehicles. They demand nearly the same price as new parts. This is the key to your ability to earn huge sums of cash as an eBay reseller.